So hello everyone, it's me Vikram, and today I'm going to discuss five stocks with you, important levels which can be useful to you guys for the coming few trading sessions here. And the five stocks that I'm going to discuss are: first one is PBAI, the second one is going to be Intel, and then we will have SMCI stock, QBTS, and Palantir Technologies. So we will discuss all of these five stocks one by one. So first of all, let's talk about BBI stock. And one more thing I want to tell you guys is that I do analysis on daily time frame, and all the key levels that I'm going to tell you, you can consider those levels by taking daily time frame into consideration here. So first of all, here if we see in the BBA stock, I can clearly see that $4.54 support level is getting broken down today. And if you see here, the stock is trying to break this support level here. This was a strong support level for this stock, and if we see closing below this price today, if that happens, then we can expect the stock to fall further here. And to which level, what will be the first target in this case? That will be $3.88. This is going to be our first target here. But if this stock manages to sustain this $4.54 support level, and we see the stock breaking $5.09 in the coming few days, if that happens, then we can again expect some recovery from here. But until this $5.09 price doesn't get break upside, we are not going to see some recovery here. So this is my view on BBI stock. We are watching a massive fall for the past few trading sessions, and I think that it should take a good support around $3.8 level or $3.43 level. These two levels, I think that the stock should take a good support. But if that doesn't happen, if these two support levels also break, then we can see more fall ahead. So this is the analysis of BBI stock. Let's move on to our next stock here. So our next stock is Intel Corporation stock, and today we are watching a fall of 4.2% in this stock, and the current price right now is $20.4. And here also, if you see, the support level is going to break today. And what was that support level? That was $20.9 price. This was a support level for this stock, and we can clearly see in this today's candle, we are watching a breakdown. So if it closes just like this below $2.9 price today, if that happens, then we can expect the first target of $19.9. This is the first target I'm expecting here. And if this price also breaks in the coming few days, then we can see more lower levels here. And that lower level can be $18.75. This can be the second target here if $19.9 price also gets break. And what I feel is that it should come to around this area, this whole zone here. This can act as a good demand zone here. Now why I'm saying this, so because if you see the stock, whenever it has came around this price, it has given a consolidation, and it has always got a good demand here. And here also, if you see, the stock consolidated, it tried to move up, it again got rejected, it went back in this range, and it again gave a breakout here. So this thing tells us that this area can be a good demand zone here, and we can see getting a good buying zone from here. So this is my analysis on this stock. But right now, if you're asking me for the coming few days, I think that it should come to around $19.9 price, or if this price also breaks, then maybe $18.75. So these two levels I am expecting here in this stock, and then from these levels we can see some recovery here. So this is the analysis for Intel Corporation stock. Now let's discuss about our next stock here, that is SMCI stock. So here if you see, the stock is down by 0.7% today, and the stock is trading right now at $38.8 price, and the stock is trading above its support level, and that support level is $38.45. This is a support level for this stock. See, uh, previously also we got a good buying from here, and right now the stock is trying to sustain this price. So if it manages to do that, if it sustains this price of $38.45, and we see closing above this price today, then we can expect some upside movement in this stock, and the first target you can expect will be $44.69. This is going to be our first target here. But the condition that I've told you is that $38.45 support price should sustain here. Only then we can expect $44.69 target. So this is my view on SMCI stock. In case if we get a breakdown of $38.45, then the stock can again test $35.27 level. So this is my view on SMCI stock. Now let's discuss about our next stock here, and that is QBTS stock. Now in this stock, if you see here, the stock was consolidating in this range here, in this consolidation box here, and it was continuously trying to give a breakout, which it couldn't succeed. And here also, if you see, the stock gave a breakout, it came for a retest and it failed, and hence we are watching a downside move here. And right now the stock is again back in that range in which it was consolidating before. So what I think is that if it sustains this $5.3 level, because if you see this consolidation range here, this $5.3 price was a key support level here in this consolidation zone. Every time the stock goes down, it quickly gets demand around this $5.3 level here every time. And now today, if you see, the stock is again back in that range. So if it manages to sustain this price of $5.3 today and closes above, that means we can again play in this consolidation range here, and we can expect the stock to test $6.58 target in the coming few days. This is the first target I am expecting here if it manages to sustain this support price. And once it will reach around $6.58, I think that we can face some rejection here, because again the same thing was a supply zone in this consolidation range. And again, if we see the stock testing this level, we might face some rejection here. So this $6.58 price needs to break for a good rally in this stock. But until then, if you are looking to trade inside this range, then the first target you can expect is $6.58. So this is my view on QBTS stock. In case if we see the stock breaking this $5.3 price today, downside, if that happens, then we can expect some fall ahead. So this is my view on QBTS stock. Now let's discuss about our last stock, and that is Palantir Technologies. See, the stock is up by 0.6% today, and currently it is trading at $84.9 price. So here, if you see, the stock has made a double bottom here, and with this double bottom setup, we can expect the first target of $92.28. Now keep this in mind that I'm not saying this, that these targets that I'm telling you in this video, you will get to see this target in the next trading session only. It can take up to a few trading sessions to achieve the targets that I'm telling you in this video. So please take that into consideration. So here $92.28 is the first target I'm expecting here, and then from this price I think that we will face some rejection, and we might see some red candles forming here around this price. Because if you see here, the stock tried to move up but it couldn't succeed, and therefore this price needs to break to get a good rally from here. But until then, if you ask my view on this stock, then $92.28 is the first target I am expecting here. And for downside, we will have a good support now of $80.6 price. Because if you see, the double bottom has been made here, and that means that this area has now become a strong demand zone here. But keep this in mind that if this demand zone gets break, like if you see a breakdown of this level by a big red candle, if that happens, then we can see more lower levels here in this stock. So this is my view on Palantir Technology stock. I've told you this target of $92.2 here, which can be achieved in the coming few trading sessions. And once this price will be taken out, we can see a good rally from here. So these were the key important levels for the stocks that I've told you here. If you have any query related to any of these stocks that I've talked in this video, you can comment down below. And I also want to know what you guys think about these stocks. And also, this video is just meant for educational purpose. I'm not making this video with the intent of giving you tips or anything like that. It's just the technical levels that I want to share with you guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this information valuable, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.